that just won't stop? Are you taking dangerous drugs that have serious side effects and never fix the pain? If so, please listen to this message. Neuropathy is a serious, progressive condition that only gets worse if not treated properly. Call SFA Wellness at 844-94-NERVE to get back to doing the things you want to do. There is no drug, exercise, or surgery that can heal nerves. Don't wait until your condition gets worse and stops you from living your life fully. SFA Wellness has a time-tested, proven track record of helping hundreds of patients to improve and reverse their neuropathy. If you're ready to regain your independence, contact SFA Wellness at 844-94-NERVE. Call now for your $99 neuropathy special and receive a personal treatment plan that is tailored to your needs. Call 844-94-NERVE. That's 844-94-NERVE and start to enjoy life again.
CBS News Time, 12:11. We're learning more this morning about a serial killer in Stockton. Police now say there have been 6 murders. The first, a man who was shot and killed in Oakland last April. Police are telling us the suspect ambushed his victims as they were walking alone in the dark. They were all men except for one woman who survived her shooting. Police are baffled, though, as to why the victims were targeted. None were robbed or beaten before the killings. With the exception of the first murder in Oakland, the rest took place within a radius of just a few square miles in Stockton. A $95,000 reward is being offered for information leading to an arrest in this case. Meanwhile, over Merced County, sheriff officials are looking for a family of 4, including an 8-month-old baby that was openly kidnapped yesterday. Officials say the family was taken against their will from a business on South Highway 59 in South Merced. It's not clear if the family knew their kidnapper. Santa Clara County is struggling to keep up with a surge in gun crimes. Now, as KCBS's Keith Manconi reports, there's hope that a proposal to create a countywide gun task force could help.
The proposed team, made up of police officers and prosecutors, would be tasked with finding and confiscating legally possessed firearms throughout the county. Marissa McCune with the County District Attorney's Office says until now, such efforts have been hamstrung by a lack of manpower.
The size of the problem is too large, and what we found is that if you don't have a dedicated team who works guns full-time, we're really missing out on important and dangerous cases.
And those cases are growing more numerous, she says, with firearm assaults more than doubling over the past decade, and other violent crimes on the rise as well. Also fueling this effort, widespread calls for action following the 2 mass shooting incidents that have struck the county in recent years.
Our communities quite correctly have expressed outrage and frustration, feeling that there has not been enough urgency from law enforcement specifically about addressing the bleeding.
In San Jose, Keith Manconi, KCBS.
The man charged with a Hollywood Bowl attack on Dave Chappelle is in hot water with the judge in his case. We get the story from Craig Figner in Los Angeles.
When the case was called against Isaiah Lee, sheriff's deputies told the judge that Lee would not be in court because he's refusing to leave his jail cell. He is charged with the May 2022 attack on Dave Chappelle. It happened at the Hollywood Bowl in front of a live audience. The case is on calendar for a preliminary hearing, during which the judge will decide if there's enough evidence to bring this case to trial. Because Lee must be present for the prelim, if he refuses to leave his cell, the judge says she'll order sheriff's deputies to physically extract him from his cell and bring him to court. At the LA Criminal Courthouse, Craig Figner, KCBS.
And that preliminary trial is scheduled for later today. Just ahead on KCBS.
I'm Chris St. Carlo. State officials are raining on the prospect for an end to this 3-year drought.
In fact, we are actively planning for another dry year.
Right now, 12:15. Giants lost to the Padres last night, 7-5. The A's came from behind to get the 5-4 win over the Angels, and speaking of wins, here's Stephen Langford with more on the 49ers Monday Night Football win.
When talking about the 49ers this season, a name that comes up in every conversation is that of second-year safety Talanoa Hufanga. And in the 49ers' 24-9 win over the Rams on Monday Night Football, he continued his breakout year. This one is juggled hit. Here goes Hufanga. Hufanga, touchdown, San Francisco. Pick six. Joe Buck on the call for ESPN. That was the interception returned for a touchdown that sealed the game for the 49ers, and it was also Hufanga's first career interception. He met with the media after the game to talk us through the play.
I just kind of saw a different release than I'm used to, and I just, instead of really going to follow my man, I just turned my head and ball kind of dropped slapped in my face, I ain't gonna lie.
He would go on to return it to the end zone, but he also thought there was a chance it could have ended with a different result.
Thought Stafford was gonna catch me, I ain't gonna lie. My 40 pound doesn't help when it comes to that, so but definitely just very grateful to just go out there with my guys and have fun.
He was speaking about quarterback for the Rams, Matthew Stafford. Hufanga is just another addition to this 49ers defense that is littered with talent, and one of his teammates on that defense, Diamador Lenore, wants to start a campaign.
Man, I just heard the crowd screaming, and then I seen Huff going the other way. I felt like I seen like a Troy Polamalu flash. Huff, all-pro Huff. I'll start that now.
Hufanga certainly playing like an all-pro, just 4 games into his second NFL season. At the Sports Desk, I'm Stephen Langford, KCBS.
Individual rates, coverage offerings, and savings may vary, subject to terms and conditions, not available in all areas. Hey, small business owner, when's the last time you checked your workers' comp rate? For many small businesses, workers' comp insurance is one of their biggest costs, but some don't check their rate often. Did you know rates can vary? In fact, taking 3 minutes to check your rate with Pi Insurance could save you up to 30%. Just go to trypi.com, share a few details about your business, and get a quote that's customized for you with no hassle or hidden fees. We know you're busy, but spending just a few minutes to check your rate could save you money. Plus, with Pi, you can have peace of mind knowing your employees are protected. Our team of friendly customer representatives are just a call away, ready to help. It's no wonder customers rate us excellent on Trustpilot. Find out how much you could save with Pi Insurance. Ask your agent for Pi or get a quote at trypi.com. That's trypie.com.
A typical morning here in the neighborhood buzz, but today seems sweeter, and I'm sure it's because I'm getting boosted, boosting my immunity, getting boosted, protected from COVID-19. Go to myturn.ca.gov to find boosters for ages 5 and up. Stay healthy and strong. Get boosted.
Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health. 12:18 CBS. We'll check in with Paul of the KPIX5 Weather Center in just a moment. First, though, let's check in with Carolyn and see how traffic's looking.
Well, we were telling you we do have better news in that San Lorenzo area on northbound 880 before Hesperian Boulevard. A 3-car crash that was blocking 3 right lanes. Well, that has been cleared off to the shoulder and all lanes are open. However, we still have a bit of a backup as traffic is still just creeping along from actually right after the Hacienda Avenue overcrossing. But once you get over and past that scene, traffic is back up to the limit. Now, if you're heading to the Oakland or the Caldecott Tunnel in Oakland, eastbound 24, just before that right bore, look for a stalled vehicle. It's partially on that right-hand shoulder and in the right lane. CHP is on the way. Right now, it looks like traffic is not having any problems whatsoever getting by. Once you get through the tunnel, everything is clear and smooth sailing on out to Walnut Creek. Your next traffic update is at 12:28 on the traffic meter. KCBS.
Near average temperatures in store for us again on Tuesday, but we are in for a warm-up later this week as high pressure builds in the atmosphere overhead. That means temperatures are going to be warm to even hot inland by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday in the 80s and even low 90s. But high temperatures around the Bay are going to remain in the 70s, just 3 or 4 degrees above normal. That high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere by late this week is also going to suppress the development of any widespread fog, and that's good news for visibilities for all the Fleet Week festivities happening later this week. Temperatures will gradually return to what's normal for this time of year by early next week. Absolutely no precipitation in sight for the next several days, which isn't exactly a shock in early October. I'm meteorologist Paul Hagan with your KCBS KPIX5 First Alert Forecast.
What do you have for us today, Charlotte?
Charlotte is the little sister of the tooth fairy. Charlotte is the junk fairy. If you have stuff in your shed that you haven't used in the past 12 months,
Yes?
you're not storing stuff, you got junk.
Turn your storage shed into a shed that you can use again.
Give yourself a space to maneuver.
Call 1-800-GOD-JUNK.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
Call 1-800-GOD-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GODJUNK.com.
We don't take a break from what we do. We cover the news around the clock.
We begin our live team coverage with KCBS's Matt Bigler. He's at the West Oakland station where he's just spoken with a passenger who had been on that duck train. Matt?
This train lost power in the Transbay Tube this morning. We are the only news station broadcasting live from the Bay Area every hour of the day, every day of the week.
We began to slow down and stop. Sometimes that happens, but this time we really